Hello, my dear butterflies. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our English class. We were discussing with the second unit, three butterflies. Have you joined these dots and filled colors in it? If you want, you can color it and make it attractive. Okay? Have you written that name in that box? Yes, it's a butterfly, and I hope all of you did your duty. My dear butterflies, in the first class, we saw three butterfly friends like you. Where are they staying? Yes, they are in a garden. They lived in a garden. And can you describe about these three butterflies? Yes, they were friends and they were red, yellow, and white. They played, danced, and sucked nectar from the flowers. Very good. And how many flowers are there in that garden? We can see three flowers. Which are they? A white lily, a sunflower, and a red rose. Very good. Now let's see what happens. See? What can you see here in this picture? Yes, it's raining, right? Yes. What will happen if it rains outside and the butterflies are outside? What will happen to them? Yes, when it rains, they will get wet in rain, right? And their wings will stick up together so they can't fly well. They will find it difficult to fly as their wings are wet. And what will they do next? They will be searching for a place for protection, right? Yes, a place that gives protection can be said as a shelter. So, a house is a shelter for human beings. What about the shelter for these butterflies? Where will they sit? Ah, they can sit inside a flower, right? Let's see what happens. Shall we read the lesson now? It is titled Rain, the Rain. Now let's read. Children, keep your finger near the line. I'll read it for you. One afternoon, the butterflies were playing in the garden. It suddenly grew dark. A cold wind blew. It's going to rain. Let's stop playing, said the red butterfly. Suddenly, it started raining. The three butterflies got wet in the rain. They found it difficult to fly. They looked for a shelter. A sunflower was watching them carefully. See, one afternoon when they were playing in the garden, suddenly the sky was dark. Why? Yes, as a beginning of rain, we can see the sky will be getting dark, right? So suddenly it grew dark outside and a cold wind blew. Blew means a current of air, a cold wind, that is a breeze, and it again started to blow strongly. So a cold wind blew. All these signals a rain. and we can see it started raining. That time a red butterfly said that let's stop playing. And as we said earlier, they got wet in rain and couldn't fly as their wings were stick together. Now they are looking for a shelter. Shelter means a place that gives us protection from bad weather or danger. And we can see the sunflower was looking them curiously, watching them curiously. Curiously means eagerly. Now let's read the questions and answer them. See, why did the butterfly stop playing? Yes, they stopped playing as it started raining. What will the butterflies do now? They will search for a shelter. Okay, the third one. Will anyone help them? Yes, the flowers may help them. Okay, now let's see what happens next. You said that flowers may help them. We can see that in the next class. Now let's discuss some meanings of this part. Okay. New words and their meanings. First one, blue, a current of air. Second one, wet, cover in rain or cover in water you can say. Third one, shelter, a place giving protection from bad weather or danger. Fourth one, curiously, eager to know or learn something. Now let's discuss some past tenses. First one, present tense, grow. It's past tense, grew. Blow, blew. Start, started. Get, got. Wet, wet. Find, found. Look, looked. Now let's discuss some opposites. Cold opposite, hot. Dry opposite, wet. Difficult opposite, easy. Start opposite, stop. Okay. Now let's discuss some question answers. Only one question answer is there. I'll read the question for you. Why did the butterflies stop playing? The butterflies stopped playing because it started raining in the garden. My dear butterflies, you have to read the lesson 5 times and write and study the notes into your notebook and write them again and again in your rough book. Okay, study well at your home. In the next class, I'll ask questions in the Google Meet. Okay, so you have to study well. Let's wind up today. Thank you.